ashes of my heart, you make a brand new start. Your light ignites my soul and makes me whole. The darkness melts away, you turn the night to day. Your spirit is my flame, I sing your name. Breathe on me again, holy fire within. Every fear replaced by your grace. Fire of grace, shine inside, burn away my selfish pride. Every spark, every cry lifts me to the sky. Fire of grace, pure and true, all I am returns to you. Let your love embrace this holy place. The embers start to rise, your truth before my eyes. My spirit glows within, freed from sin. Each flame declares your worth, consuming all the earth. Your power sets me free eternally. Breathe on me again, holy fire within. Every fear replaced by your grace. Fire of grace, shine inside, burn away my selfish pride. Every spark, every cry lifts me to the sky. Fire of grace, pure and true, all I am returns to you. Let your love embrace this holy place. Let your flame remain through joy and through the pain. Forever I will be set Fire of grace, shine inside, burn away my selfish pride. Every spark, every cry lifts me to the sky. Fire of grace, pure and true, all I am returns to you. Let your love embrace this holy burning me now. Fire of grace. Glory, lead me home through the valley of my fear. I feel your presence near. Every shadow starts to fade. By your light, I'm made. Your word becomes my guide. No longer will I hide. You carry me through pain like gentle rain. You walk these roads with me in Heaven touches this place. All creation sings to the King. Your fire lights my way through every passing day. Forever I will go where you show. You walk these roads with me in perfect majesty. Every step I take for your name's sake. Path of glory, bright and wide. Take me where your truth abides. Every tear, every cry turns to light on high. Path of glory, pure and true. All my soul belongs to you. Lead me through the night to your holy light. Your steps are etched in time. Your grace my only sign. Forever I will be walking Path of glory, bright and wide. Take me where your truth abides. Every tear, every cry turns to light on high. Path of glory, pure and true. All my soul belongs to you. Lead me through the night to your path of glory, lead me home. Path of glory. In the garden of mercy, I find you there. I walk through fields of grace. Your love my resting place. The sunlight paints the air. Your voice is everywhere. The silence starts to bloom. Your spirit fills the room. Every breath I take is for your sake. In this quiet ground, your healing love is found. Every fear erased by your grace. Garden of mercy. They dance where angels pray. Your presence like the wind that moves within. Each tear becomes a song where I forever belong. Your grace, my endless spring, my everything. In this quiet ground, your healing love is found. Every fear erased by your grace. Garden of mercy, pure and wide, where my heart can safely hide. Every wound you mend again, washed by holy rain. Garden of mercy, calm and true. All my soul belongs to you. Here I kneel and stay in your mercy's way. Your peace like rivers flow through hearts that humbly know. Forever I'll remain in your garden of mercy. I find you there. Garden of mercy. Heaven open wide, your glory falls inside. The veil begins to tear, your presence fills the air. Every heart awake for your name's sake. The light descends like rain. You heal our hidden pain. Every shadow flies when you rise. We lift our hands on high. heaven open wide. Ocean of love, I'm drifting in you. The waves reflect your face. I'm lost in your embrace. Every tide I feel, your love is real. The currents pull me near. No room for any fear. Your spirit calls my name, forever the same. You wash my heart away in grace that will not stray. All I am is yours forevermore. Ocean of love, deep and wide, carry me beyond the tide. Every tear, every pain, washed away again. Ocean of love, pure and true. All my heart belongs to you. Waves of faith above. Ocean of the sunlight meets the sea. You're shining over me. My burdens fade away. New day. Your mercy flows so free, like waves eternally. You calm my storming mind, so kind. You wash my heart away in grace that will not stray. All I am is yours forevermore. Ocean of love, deep and wide, carry me beyond the tide. Every tear, every pain, washed away again. Ocean of love, pure and true. All my heart belongs to you. Waves of faith above. Ocean of love. The light breaks through the haze. Your mercy lights my days. I hear your gentle call. I give you all. Your truth, my heart's delight. Your love restores my sight. No fear can ever stay. You lead the way. Heaven opens wide. Your glory can't be denied. Every tear erased by your grace. Kingdom of grace, holy place. Every soul in your embrace. All I am, all I see is you alive in me. Kingdom of grace, shining true. All my heart belongs to you. In this sacred space, your kingdom of the heavens start to sing. The dawn of our true King. The stars bow down in awe. Your perfect law. You crown the earth with peace. Our spirits find release. The past is washed away in your day. Heaven opens wide. Your glory can't be denied. Every tear erased by your grace. Kingdom of grace, holy place. Every soul in your embrace. All I am, all I see is you alive in me. Kingdom of grace, shining true. All my heart belongs to you. In this sacred space, your kingdom of grace. Your throne of light remains beyond all time and pain. Forever I will stay in your Kingdom of grace, holy place. Every soul in your embrace. All I am, all I see is you alive in me. Kingdom of grace, shining true. All my heart belongs to you. In this sacred space, your kingdom of grace. the pain, the darkness fades away. You are the day. Your flame will never fall. Your truth outshines it all. Forever you will be the light in me. You open up the sky. Your love can never die. Every heart made new in you. Eternal light burns so bright. Your presence warm and real. You move like morning light through the night. Every heart you bring to life. You calm my storm and strife. Your peace becomes my song, forever strong. Your spirit in my soul, breathing and making whole. I surrender all to your call. Breath of heaven, blow through me. Set my spirit ever free. Every moment, every tone, I am yours alone. Breath of heaven, pure and true. All my heart belongs to you. Let your light descend till the very end. The winds of grace arise, they dance across the skies. Your truth renews the earth, a holy birth. Each sigh becomes a prayer. Your spirit fills the air. The world awakes again in your name. Your spirit in my soul, breathing and making whole. I surrender all to your call. Breath of heaven, blow through me. Set my spirit ever free. Every moment, every tone, I am yours alone. Breath of heaven, pure and true. All my heart belongs to you. Let your light descend till the very end. Your wind of life remains through joy and through the pains. Forever I will stay in your way. Breath of heaven, blow through me. Set my spirit ever free. Every moment, every tone, I am yours alone. Breath of heaven, pure and true. All my heart belongs to you. Let your light descend till the very end. Breath of heaven, fill me again. Breath of heaven, Summer's come and gone, your peace is all I'm on. Raindrops fade away, you make a way. My heart begins to see your light is calling me. Every shadow's past, your love will last. You break the night apart with hope inside my heart. Every stone bows down to your crown. Light through the clouds, shine again, wash away the dark and pain. Every tear, every sound, heaven's love is found. Light through the clouds, pure and true. All my praise returns to you. When my heart cries loud, you're the light through the clouds. Through the clouds. The sky begins to glow. Your grace begins to flow. 1,000 voices rise to the skies. You paint the world with peace. My doubts begin to cease. Your hands renew the day in your way. You break the night apart with hope inside my heart. Every stone bows down to your crown. Light through the clouds, shine again, wash away the dark and pain. Every tear, every sound, heaven's love is found. Light through